Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to display a text field using UIKit in native iOS application. So just create a native iOS application using storyboard, but we won't be using storyboard. Everything is done programmatically over here. So I will show you the output first. So this is my text field, and here if I click on it, you can start typing whatever makes sense to you. Okay, I think this keyboard has stopped working. Like, we face this issue every time you use the simulator. So here you can see next, first what I have done is that I have dragged and dropped one custom font. If you want to use custom font, you can use it. So just drag and drop your custom font. Make sure this target membership is checked, and inside info.plist I have added this fonts provided by application, and here I have referenced our Pacifico regular.ttf font. Next, inside assets I have created new color asset. So I just right click new color asset, and here I have taken my color, and here as you can see I have just added one hexadecimal color. Use whatever makes sense to you. Next, inside view controller I have initialized our UI text field. So the placeholder at the start is add whatever makes sense to you. Then I have taken a text color over here as well, and I am referencing our color which we have created inside assets. Then I have assigned some font of Pacifico regular, and the size is of 16. Then the border width is of 2, corner radius is 4. So if you see over here, that's what it is. Then the border color I have set it to black.cg color. So you will have to convert. So for this border color, this UI color needs to be converted to cg color. That's what I am using over here. Then the return type is .next. So the next button which you see on the keyboard, that's what it is. And the keyboard type is default, but you can keep it a numeric or email only. It's something like that. Then I have used this translate auto resizing mask into constraints to false, and I have added our text field to our view. Then this is done because I want to apply some NS layout constraints to our text field. We'll look into NS layout like some other day, but basically what I'm doing is that the top anchor of our text field is constrained to the safe area layout guide of top anchor, which means this part, so that our text field is not overlapping with this particular notch. That's why we are using safe layout area guide dot top anchor. And the leading anchor of our text field is assigned to the leading anchor of our view. So view is like the parent view which is automatically present whenever you extend from UI view controller. That's why we are adding our text field to our view as well. And the trailing anchor of our text field is also assigned to the trailing anchor of our view. This constant is just kind of like a padding or margin which you see at the very start. So this thing. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.